Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. On to box number 109 Upper Deck Spectrum. I am a happy man. Why am I a happy man? Because I have Techno Belly in my room, just saying. Good luck to everyone. Box is number 53. 12 packs. 12 packs. Alright. We're all set to go. Hoping for a patch, or I would love to pull a Kardashian autograph. Good luck. Base, base, base. Nice looking base cards, too. And Rugs, too. First autograph. We got an autograph off the bat. For the Padres, rookie auto of Josh Gear. Josh Gear auto for the Padres. Base. I think for this product you get two autos. One is a celebrity auto and then a jersey card. I'm not positive, but I haven't done this product in a while. All base. Numbered out of 250 for the Diamondbacks, Chris Young. Chris Young out of 250. It's the first numbered card in the whole box. Base. Where's this one? Feels thick. Is that a hit or is that a decoy? It's a decoy. We got a numbered card for the Rockies. Carlos Gonzalez out of 250. Nice looking design though in the product. I like the base cards. Come on, where's Kim? Where's Kim at? Kimmy Kardashian, we're looking for you. Are you in here? This will be a hit, it looks like. And it will be. Numbered out of 99. 33 out of 99 for the Cubs. Alfonso Soriano jersey. Alfonso Soriano jersey for the Cubs. For the Dodgers, numbered out of 250 of Matt Kemp. 2 packs left. No auto in this pack. So hopefully this is a hot pack right here. Come on, hot pack. Where's the auto? There is an auto. I'll do a slide on blog. It's big, like it's so shiny. It's big glare. It's hard to see. Doesn't look like Kim Kardashian. Let's see. Brutus Beefcake, Pro Wrestler, red ink auto. It's not numbered. Red ink auto of Brutus Beefcake. That did not look like Kim Kardashian. So, there it is. Oh, I'm not familiar with them, to be honest, but Brutus Beefcake, red ink auto. That'll be randomed. That's the box of 09 Spectrum. Nothing big in there, but fun product at least. GSN Cards is out.